160, 52. Heart rate, respiratory rate. Got it?
Yes.
Check. Does she have the hepatitis vaccine? She signed. I think we still have to fax it though.
There were a lot of babies today?
Yeah, there's a lot.
Busy day?
Yep.
This afternoon was full here.
Yep. It's a busy day. It's like a lot of non-delivered.
Baby boy or baby girl?
Baby girl. She's a girl. She pee already.
That's a good sign, right?
She pee while weighing.
So she weigh less.
So instead of rounding her to 7 pounds, I keep it at 7.15. Let's check your blood sugar. I know. Diaper on you, and that's it, like that before you pee again.
What is it?
Huh? What
is the sound?
Ah, it's only the alarm of the warmer.
Okay.
Yep. Well, the temperature of the baby, I'm setting the temperature of the baby, so if the temperature is low on the baby, it will alarm a little like that, but nothing to worry about. Erythromycin, both eyes, these are like routine care. Is this your first baby?
Yeah, first one.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you.
Antibiotics is...
That's only by natural birth, right? The eyes?
I know everybody will get it.
Also with C-section?
They just to make sure that everything is fine.
Okay.
To prevent that. Accu-check is 58. Even C-section, we give it routinely. All the babies, you get it routinely. And catch up the temperature. Yep, we have to warm her up. She gonna get a bath later on.
Okay, the weight, the length of the baby.